Many students have asked me how my coaching system works. It is one of the most effective system in the world, and it has been inspired by number one executive coach Marshall Goldsmith. Basically, I took his coaching system and I adopted, or in PMP terminology, I tailored it according to my way, according to my psychology, according to my domain of the work, like project management, and I put it in that way, and it has worked excellent in last 1 year particularly in this COVID era. I would say that I have adopted this coaching system into the best possible way. So in this video I would like to give that coaching system to you, and you can implement that coaching system, and you can make sure one thing for 100%. I would say that this is the 100% formula. I would say if you implement it, it can take some time, but you will certified PMP 100%. You will become certified PMP, that's for 100%. If you want to become certified PGMP, CCP, anything, this works for anything in the life. If you want to change your habit, if you want to change your living style, if you want to join gym, all those things, I have actually implemented this on myself in last 1 month. For last 1 month, on almost 5 times a week I'm going on gym, and I have never been to gym for such a long time. Actually, I implemented my PMP coaching system on myself. The first thing is that you need to have a mentor. The first thing is that you need to have a mentor. You can call him a colleague. He or she can be your spouse, your friend. You can pay someone to basically cross check you. Why we need someone else? You see, even the best people like Marshall Goldsmith, who is number one executive coach in the world, he has won two-time Thinker 50. That is just like Oscar for the management people, for the leadership people. So he says that we human being, we think we are very tough. We don't do anything. If we try doing it, we cannot do. For example, apple a day keeps doctor away. Everyone knows it's an easy thing, and easy things are actually very hard to do. So step number one, when you get a coach, you put accountable as spouse or anyone else who you think. I recommend get a mentor or hire someone to call you daily, to call you, to message you, whatever you prefer. The purpose is to get feedback or feed forward, which I'll come later, from you. The purpose is answer 6 questions. For example, if it's the context of PMP, have you completed yesterday task? What are you going to do today? And what are the impediments? Remember the same daily stand-up thing. And what are your deadline? And then what is the one area you would like to improve in the PMP? What book or video, one video you are going to watch today? And is there anything new that you learned? So these are 6 questions. They change according to time to time. So if you want to limit it and you want to put it just like daily stand up, you can even do the 3 questions. Or even you can ask someone to ask you daily only one question. What is your progress so far? So daily one question. It seems like very easy task, but when you keep on getting daily basis, you start acting on it. And you can do one more thing, like you can do, or your coach can do, like he can make or she can make 7 columns in an Excel sheet: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and from 1 to 10, they can rate. You did your progress, 1. You don't do your progress, 0. 1 0 can also work, 1 to 10 can also work. That's your choice. So 1 1 1 1 1 or 0 1 1 0, whatever your progress will be, at the end of the week you will get your report card. And let me share you something very important. For few weeks the report card will look very ugly, and then the magic will really happen. You already know the answer. You basically write the question, so you know the answer of it. You start acting on it, you start working on it, and then magic start happen. And then you start preparing for PMP, and you start improving it. That is the step number one. that the coach need to do. Now, if that coach is specially PMP coach, I would suggest that he does not ask about the feedback. He talk about after asking this question, he talk about feed forward. Now that's a different thing. Feedback and feed forward. If you haven't done something yesterday, okay, I understand you get zero in your report card. But now what to do next? He need to give you a roadmap. So never talk about feedback, always talk about feed forward. You see, there's a scene in Lion King in which monkey basically put basically hit the lion, hit the Simba with a rod, with a stick, and Simba said that why you did that. He said it does not matter. It's in the past. Whatever has happened in the past, it does not matter. Then he again tried to hit Simba. So Simba basically put down. He was saved. He saved himself from the stick. And then the monkey said, the wise monkey, he was considered as the wise monkey. The past is there for only one reason, to learn from it. So learn from the past. Don't talk about it and implement in the next day. This is the second step. Feed forward. Very important. And the third and one of the most important thing, select one resource. For example, if you are going to do PMI ACP, I would say PMI ACP Mike Griff's book is an excellent book. Find out what is the best source, what is the best mentor. Follow one mentor and follow him to the path. Before finding that one mentor, before finding that one book, make sure that you know him very well. You know that thing, you trust his process. But once you have found out, follow that path, go to that path, and you can do it in this way. Now this is by basically my coaching system, which I have been using for a long time, which is giving me beautiful results. In just few weeks, last 2 weeks, I would say 9 students have passed PMP, and I'm 100% sure before 31st of March, minimum 15 more students are going to clear PMP, and you will get the report, you will get the result, and all those things. I will share it, and you will find it on my channel. But the thing always remains the same: what you are going to do, how you are going to implement. This system is very easy, but it's hard to do. It is very hard to do, and you need to do it on daily basis. If you can do it yourself, that's good. But I will suggest, get a help, get a mentor. Whoever you select, get at least one mentor, and it's better have a paid mentor than a free mentor so that he can get the value for it and get your feedback on daily basis. Get that report card, and you will clear anything in your life. And of course, you will clear PMP. Thank you very much.